Hello.
Hello.
How are
Hello.
you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm great, thank you. Really all right. So it's a fast meeting. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, but I want first you.
Okay. So my name is Anna Shukla. I'm 9 years old. I study in class 4 and I study in a public school. I live in the district of Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And I have a YouTube channel called The Arna, is where I upload conversational English videos. This is all about me. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, good. Nice introduction. You are speaking very well. Well, your accent like you are foreigner.
Yes, but I'm just from India, and thank you for your kind word.
Okay, now it's my turn. Now I am going to introduce myself. Okay.
Okay,
My name is Umesh Prasad Singh. Right now I am connecting to you from Bihar. Okay.
okay,
I am retired from army. I am retired from army.
yes, yes, I heard you. Jen,
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
welcome.
And nowadays I am working in Bihar Police. Okay.
Yeah, okay,
Uh, and right now I am on duty.
okay,
Okay.
yeah, okay,
Actually, I have had my dinner. That's why I am here. Okay.
okay,
If I talk about my education, I completed 10th, only 10th. I am 10th pass. And my little bit education completed 30 years ago.
okay,
Okay.
yes,
if I
okay,
talk about if I talk about my family detail, so I have 3 kids, 2 daughter and 1 son. My both daughter have got married.
okay,
Okay. I am very
okay.
fond of I am very fond of sports. Sometimes I like cooking. It's all about me. Thank you for listening carefully.
You're welcome.
Arna,
Do you
you
have,
are just okay. You are just 9 years old.
yeah, I'm 9.
Okay, which class do you read?
I study in class 4.
Okay, how many brother, how many sibling do you have?
I have one younger brother.
You have young brother.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So you taught them? You
uh,
teach them?
yes, but not so often.
Okay, okay. Okay, Arna. So you can ask anything. What do you want?
Well, yes. Like, in which district you live in Bihar?
Yes, I live here in Rohtas district. You have
Rohtas.
this Rohtas district,
Okay.
nearby
And
Patna, nearby Patna.
how many kilometers away?
Um, you can say 120 kilometer far from my district. 120 kilometer far from my district.
Okay.
Hey, Arna, why are you learning this language? What do you want to become?
I want to become an English trainer.
Oh, good.
And I'm learning this language because I'm really interested in it and also to achieve my goal.
Who motivated you to learn this language?
My parents.
Okay. Do you follow any English trainer?
Well, yes, I follow so many English trainers. I also follow their YouTube channels.
Okay, so can you tell his name? Who is your favorite English trainer?
My favorite one is the Lucy and Emma. They both are English trainers, and they both have YouTube channels.
Do you heard? Did you heard? No, do you hear Janvi Pawar's name? Janvi
Yeah,
Pawar.
yeah, I heard about her.
Okay, you speak same like that.
Thank you for your kind word. And and I've also heard she's from Haryana, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
She's about 20 years old.
Huh. Yes. He knows seven, eight language. He knows 7, 8 language. He knows every foreigner language, British accent, UK accent. He knows. He's a wonder girl. I can say he's a wonder girl. Okay.
Um, one thing I've noticed.
Yes. Okay, Arna.
You were using he instead of she. She's
See,
a
see.
she's a girl.
See, see. I say see, see. Mm. Okay, Arna, tell me, how many hours do you study in one day?
I study about 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yeah, from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
Okay. So 1 hour study. And you learn English 1 hour, na?
I study 1 hour, and before that I practice English 1 or 2 hours.
1 and 2 hours. So how do you practice English?
Well, I don't do any specific thing, or I don't do any coaching for this. I just follow some YouTubers, and
Oh,
also I could do conversations and the, to native speakers.
okay, okay. Your parents talk to you in English?
Well, sometimes, not every day.
Okay. How many friends do you have?
Well, I have so many friends. I can't even.
Okay, they speak English with you?
Excuse me. No,
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 no, no.
no, they don't.
So which language do you talk with your friend?
We usually speak Hindi because it's our
Hindi.
native language.
Okay, okay. So do you have a channel
Well, yes, it's called the Arna.
called the? When did you start your channel?
When I was about 3 years old.
3 years ago.
3 years old. When I was 3 years old.
Okay, so how many subscribers do you have?
I am more than 2,000.
2000.
I have more than 2,000.
Oh, more than 2000. Okay, good. Congratulations. Congratulations. Hmm.
Thank you.
Okay, so what is your friend's reaction when when they saw you in YouTube first time?
Well, I can't even remember my friend's reaction. I don't think any of them watched my YouTube channel, but I remember one of my friends who watched it, and I can actually remember their reaction.
Okay, good, good, good. Okay. Do you ask anything from my side?
Well, yes.
Oh,
Can you please tell me about your occupation? More about your occupation?
actually, I am retired from army and nowadays I am working in Bihar Police and as well as I am learning this language. Actually, it's my dream. I want to speak English, but I never thought that one day I try to speak English. But nowadays I am learning this language. I am very passionate about this language. Okay, Arna.
Yeah, okay.
Uh, okay, Arna, what does your father do?
Well, my father is a pharmacist. He makes medicines.
Okay. So where do you live in MP? What
I
is your
live in
district name?
I live in Bhopal, the capital of MP.
Capital of MP. So where do you live in Bhopal? I mean city or rural area?
I live in a city.
City.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What is your school's name?
My school's name is International Public School.
How far is your school from your house?
It's about it's about two 2 kilometers away. It's very near to my house. I don't need a bus or any vehicle for this.
Okay, okay. How old is your younger brother?
He is 5 years old.
Oh, oh. He goes to school?
Yes, we study in the same school.
Same school.
Yeah.
Okay. When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8:45.
8:45.
Yeah, 8:45 a.m.
Okay. When do you back?
At 3 o'clock or at 2:30.
Okay. Can you narrate your daily routine?
Well, yes. I wake I wake up in the morning at 8 o'clock, and after that I get ready and I go to school at 8:45, as I mentioned, and then my school. And after that, when I come back from school, I you know put take out my clothes, and then I could have my lunch, and so then I could get ready for my tuition. And when I come back, I pray to God, and I could also practice some English. I could study, and then I could have dinner and go to bed.
Good. Very good. Very good. Have you had your dinner, Arna?
Not yet. We have it at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Yeah.
It's too late. Who makes food in your house?
My mother and my grandmother. And to please stop asking personal questions.
Okay. Okay. Good. Mm. Okay, Arna, you are a brilliant girl. Okay, good.
And I also have one question.
Yes, you can ask.
Why, like every time, why do you always wait for me to say okay in every sentence you say?
Okay, it's my habit. You can say it's my habit because I am very surprised to see you. You are very little, and you speaks very well, and your accent is different. I am very glad to talk with you.
Hmm. Well, and I also have one another question. Can you please tell me about about the army?
About army.
Yeah.
Sorry,
About
Arna, I don't tell you about army because it's relative or is relate security. That's why I can't say you about army. Sorry. Okay.
what does it mean again?
Mean mean actually I can't narrate about army. Okay, because it's relate on security person. That's why I can't tell you
Hmm?
about army. Okay.
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 So
Okay.
okay. So I want to teach you about my British accent.
What are you saying?
I want to will teach you about my British accent and tell why it's important and how we can practice.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
You can tell again.
Can I tell about my British accent? Like I can tell why it's important and how can we practice?
Okay, okay. Your accent like British accent because sometimes I heard Janvi Pawar's lecture. Okay, so is you speak like Janvi Pawar. That I am saying your accent is like mm, British accent.
Okay,
Okay,
so first,
Arna, now I am going somewhere. So I am sorry I stop our conversation here.
that's okay. You
Okay,
want to wrap up?
okay, thank you.
Okay, so I think we should wrap up because because it's 9:42 and you know but I had to study too, but I had to do conversations. So I have
Okay,
to study.
okay, bye.